which is that thing which prompts you to remain beautiful?
To remain
which is
beautiful.
that thing which prompts you to remain beautiful? Like, why are you obsessed to look beautiful?
Why do we always want to look beautiful? I just think it's about feeling good, you know, and when you look at the mirror, you want to be happy with what you see. So, you know, for me, I think that's all about knowing that I'm taking care of myself and I'm feeling great, and you know, it's about my fitness, and I think that's, at the end of the day, you want to be happy seeing what you see. It's not about what other people see you as. Everyone has a different idea of what beauty is, or you know what it means to them. But you need to be happy and you need to be content. And you know, so for me, you know, keeping beauty aside, I want to be able to say that, you know, I'm happy, I'm content, I'm fit, and I'm healthy, and I like what I see in the mirror. That's important.
Here.
Yes.
किसी भी प्रोडक्ट का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनने से आप कौन सी तीन चीज़ें उस प्रोडक्ट के लिए देखती हैं?
Sorry, just repeat that.
आपकी क्राइटेरिया क्या होती है किसी प्रोडक्ट का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनने के लिए?
I think it's very important when you're endorsing and representing a brand, you need to be 100% truthful that you believe in that brand. So, because, you know, at the end of the day, you are selling that product. You're the face of that product. So you need to be, I mean, sure that, you know, you actually believe in this product and that product is trustworthy. For me, I've been using Body Shop since I was a kid. So I'm 100% sure that this product is 100%, you know, trustworthy. It's an amazing product. It's reliable. It works, and it makes you feel great. So yeah, I think that's basically the only important thing. I think when you're representing something, you don't want to be dishonest about it, you know. So.
जैकलिन, वन मोर क्वेश्चन, थोड़ा हटके है इस इवेंट से, केक की शूटिंग कैसी चल रही है, हम ज़रूर जानना चाहते हैं.
It's going very well. We actually just came back from Poland, and we have a little bit more to shoot, but I think we're all very excited.
कोई एक्सपीरियंस सलमान के साथ?
Experience? I think just the entire movie has been an experience. You know, I think he's very, very inspiring because he is also someone who is extremely healthy and really, you know, he's into his fitness, he's into wellness, and it's really inspiring. It's amazing how the entire set right now on Kick is just inspired by Salman, and everyone eats well and everyone goes to the gym, and I've never seen that kind of you know, inspired activity ever before on a set.
सलमान को इस प्रोडक्ट बॉडी शॉप प्रोडक्ट से क्या गिफ्ट देना चाहती हैं?
I don't think he body butter, body oils, and there's a men's range. So I'm sure that, you know, he would definitely like that. He's definitely someone who takes care of himself as well. So I'm sure he'll love the products.
Hi, Jacqueline.
Hi.
Sadhna here.
Hi.
You know, जिस तरह मदर्स डे आ रहा है,
Sorry?
जिस तरह आप जानती हैं मदर्स डे आ रहा है, तो आप कितनी मम्मास गर्ल हैं और क्या कुछ खास करने वाली इस बार मम्मा के लिए?
Mummy के लिए?
Yes.
I think, you know, my mom loves the creams. So the body butter creams in Body Shop are just, I mean, fabulous to use. Also there are, I mean, yeah, the skincare creams. I mean, even apart from the body butter, there's also amazing skincare creams. Yeah, so for a lot of age groups. And actually, I mean, I think for them, there are different, you know, we look at all the different fragrances and stuff, and I think, you know, there's like stuff like rose, lavender, which actually also, I think, suits them, goes with them. They love that, you know, I know my mom loves that kind of stuff, so I definitely gift her one of those.
कितनी स्पेशल है मम्मा आपके लिए?
कितनी स्पेशल क्या?
मम्मा कितनी है आपके लिए स्पेशल?
Obviously सबसे.
और क्या कुछ खास करने वाली है मम्मा के लिए इस बार?
Is it Mother's Day or something? Is it coming soon? Okay, fine. Gosh, I think, you know, she's definitely someone who's always, you know, been there for you. I think whenever you feel that you're alone in the world, you should know that there's always your mother who will always be there for you, and no matter what you've done, she'll never judge you. and she'll never, I mean, you know, disown you for it, because there's always that love that she will always be there to give you. So always trust in your mother to always be there for you. I know my mom is.
Thank you.
Thank you.